DJN TV.
NUT Edo State chapter don tok say make government do wetin dem wan do, dem no dey go teach. My sabi person there, hello, I welcome you to DJN TV Daily News Update, your one-stop plug for all happening and trending news around our country, Nigeria, and even the world sef. Abeg, if you never subscribe, no forget to subscribe to this channel as we go dey continue to dey give una better yarnings. Well, we don come back to Edo State matter, with the matter wey concern the Nigerian Union of Teachers and the Edo State government. Remember say the Edo State government earlier don send letter through its secretary to say schools go resume on the 1st of February 2021. As such, make all schools put measures in place in line with the COVID-19 protocols and all of that wey dem go do. And because of say yes, some people wan strike, so make the teachers no forget say no work, no pay. So that one dey very correct and still dey very active. And if anybody who still want, any teacher who still want join the strike, abeg make no forget to drop school property before you go the strike, say because government no wan use their property to play with anybody. We feel say as the government don talk, people don still talk say okay, abeg una no worry, we go follow una dey negotiate. We feel say the teachers dey go listen, but as school resume 1st of February, so we waka around some schools, I will come discover say the teachers, they don tell government say make government do their worst, anything they like to do make dem do. Dem no dey go teach until government agree to their demands. And wetin be their demand? Dem say teachers wey dey for some local government, Oredo, Ikpoba, Awka and one other Orionwo, dem want make government pay them their outstanding arrears for year 2013 to year 2015, and make government take care of their welfare package. Make government also ensure say their salaries dey come on or before the 27th of every month. Say dis and some other things, na be their demand, and until government meet am, dem no dey go teach. The National Industrial Court for Benin don restrain the Edo wing of Nigerian Union of Teachers from their planned strike across the state. Justice Abiola wey give the order after e don lis ten to the argument by the State Solicitor General or Iyamu Sans, tok say government and the State Universal Basic Education Board (SUPEB), dem don tok say dem go lis ten to the teachers dem, but the teachers gatz to resume school because of the students dem. During her ruling, the judge tok say the NUT chairman and the assistant secretary general make dem no carry out the proposed strike through themselves or any of their agents, say pending when dem go hear the matter again for the court for February 9th. However, NUT don tok say e no dey aware of any restraining order by the court, so therefore e say the strike continue indefinitely. But despite the court restraining order, the public primary school teachers for Edo State, dem still stand on their ground say laye don no dey resume. Dem shun the government resumption date wey be February 1st, and dem no gree resume. Although the government don threa ten to invoke the no work and no pay policy if the teachers under the Nigerian Union of Teachers fail to cut their indefinite strike and to resume their academic activities for their respective school. The order for them to stay at home by the NUT don make teachers grant academic activities on most public primary school wey some news people visit. Some of the schools dem for Benin City, as at 1st of February, dey devoid of the usual bustling and hustling of students and the regular activities there as teachers no come. For some of the schools wey our news people visit, they include Emokpa Primary School along Mission Road. Na only 4 people na come, 4 women. They suspect say they be teachers, so while some the pupils dem wey come na just 2 classrooms na dem dey. One of the teachers dem wey speak say abeg no wan call im name, tok say although the government say make dem come work, say the NUT say make dem no come, say but dem obey government order to come work because of the children and nothing more. For Agbado Primary School along Akpakpova Road, pupils no dey school, na only 3 of the staffs dem na come, And they say they not be members of Nigeria Union of Teachers, so say they come from Superb and Local Government Education Authority, and they wait for the students there make they come school. For Egbesama Model Primary School for Akpakpava Road, 4 persons wey dey suspect say be staffs of Superb and Local Government Education Authorities dey school, and they say na only few students dem na come. When we come reach Asoro Primary School, only one teacher na dey school wey dey at ten d to the very few students dem wey come. He come gather all of the people for one class, dey try to see wetin dem go fit do. He talk say he dey here to ensure say nobody dey disturb the students dem. Say well, everybody get right to agitate or to protest o, and you no go fit talk say people wey ready to work make dem no work because say you see me dey sit down for house. Others teachers for public primary school for other parts of the state like Onwa West, Ovia Southwest, Ovia Northeast, Auchi, they comply with the NUT strike directive. When the Assistant Secretary General of NUT Edo State, Money Modesty Itwa, talk, he described the strike say na across the 18 local government areas of the state, and he commend the teachers for their total compliance, and he also make they put their mind, zero their mind as they go fight for freedom until government meet their demand. The secretary to the state government, Barrister Osarodion Ogie, wey we see for Emokpa Model Primary School, talk say in dey monitor the level of compliance by the teachers to the state government resumption directive, and when they address some of the teachers wey dey, he say make they carry on with their duty o, as no be crime for some person to protest, and na their right to protest. They say but who wan protest, make you no go deprive people of their right. Say abi I no wan protest, make you no go force people to protest. Despite the fact say court don say no more strike from the teachers until they give their final verdict, the teachers still sit down for house. The secretary to the state government say that they watch the situation, and any teacher wey refuse to resume as government say make they resume, government go quickly replace the teachers with people wey dey find work sef. Say because they no go fit dey let the future of the students for primary school dey suffer while they go dey as they enjoy themselves in the name of strike. Say despite the fact say they don say they wan strike, say e still go make them put their head together with government to see the way forward, not because of anything but because of the children dem. Well, my people, how you see this matter? It makes sense say despite the fact say industrial court don say okay, make una no strike, make una wait, we go call una on the 9th of February make we discuss this matter. E good say the teachers dey strike. Not forget say teachers wey dey strike na primary school teachers for Edo State, na the nice strike. So e good as a strike. How you see am? Students don dey as their mates for other schools don resume since, but they don dey as for almost 1 month now again, plus the other ones wey don dey as since. E good say the teachers dey go on strike, or e no good? You chook mouth for the matter. Make you tell us how you reason this matter sef to be. Well, no forget say this na still DJM TV daily news update. Here we dey give una better story. Abeg, if you never subscribe, make you touch that thing wey dey drop bell put. You know the way bell dey be for school. Make you touch the bell so that anytime wey we drop news, the bell sef go ring kpakam. You sef you go know say better e don land again. Well, until I go come your way again with another edition of DJM TV daily news update, make you not forget say I still be your girl and your country sister, Lawuro Favour, wey dey tell you say anybody wey fail to plan, in the plan to fail.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.